In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload clothes on Roblox. So, if in case if you wanted to upload your clothes you've created onto your Roblox account, here's how you can do it easily. So, the first thing you want to do is go to roblox.com and of course log into your account. And then the next thing you want is on their official home website over here, you want to click on Create, okay? And once you press this, you will be redirected into the Roblox Creator Hub. And the way to upload clothes is now as follows. Over here on the left, you want to click the second tab, which is Creations. From this, you want to go to the third tab up top, which says Avatar Items. Inside Avatar Items, as you can see, you have bodies, clothing, accessories, and classics. So here's the deal. If you go under clothing, sometimes, just like right now, you can't really upload anything in there because the website is glitching, I guess. So I actually sometimes have been able to do it and sometimes I wasn't. What I did was logged out of the account and then restarted my Chrome and then logged in again, etc. and I was able to get the upload asset button. However, if you don't get it, there's one I always get though, and it's under classics. So sometimes under clothing, these things aren't really showing. However, if you click on classics up here, the upload asset button always shows. So if you click classic t-shirts, classic shirts, and classic pants, you can upload all of these all the time, as you can see. But for bodies, clothing, and accessories, unfortunately, I'm not sure why, but you're not able to do it all the time. Probably there's some error on the website, or there may be a reason why that is, but I wasn't able to find it out. So classics, you can always upload, so go to classics to be able to do it. Then what you want to press is upload asset down here. And then what you'll have to do is simply, of course, select the asset type, and then you want to upload it, of course, give it a name, so let's say a fun shirt, and then you want to give it a brief description and press upload. So that's it, it's literally that simple, it's all that takes. Now, what I also wanted to say at the beginning, make sure over here where it says view as, you have your account. So you don't have a group, but you have your account, okay? That's very important, otherwise you may not see your uploaded assets later on. So that's pretty much it. That's how you upload clothes on Roblox. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.